by 2050, we're going to have 10 billion people on this planet, and we're going to need to be able to produce 70% more food to feed these 10 billion people. If that wasn't already hard enough, we got to figure out how to do that with 20% less land and 25% less water. So FlexNet is going to be a key enabler to allow us to do that, and I think we should all be very proud to have a part in that really important mission. This is the first FlexNet line that was ever built outside of Israel. So just like many, many years ago, 40 years ago, we were the first subsidiary to move outside of Israel, we now have the first FlexNet line ever to come out of Israel. This is going to open up jobs. It's going to open up jobs here in Fresno. And I think this certainly is a vote of confidence for our footprint in California as a manufacturer and a leading organization in the irrigation industry. Thank you everybody for being here for what's truly a milestone event. I couldn't be more proud of the team. I couldn't be more proud of the fact that we've earned the right and the trust of the company to be able to manufacture FlexNet here locally.
Sandra Day O'Connor once said, "We don't accomplish anything in this world alone, and that whatever happens is the result of the whole tapestry of one's life and all the weavings and individual threads from one another that create something." Well, people, FlexNet in the USA is that something.
FlexNet's been a huge growth product line for us for many different years by decreasing lead times from over 90 days down to potentially 30 days. It's going to be a great service to our customers. It's going to be a great growth engine for Netafim, and great things are coming. So thank you to the team that got this all put together, and we're looking for great things in the future from the FlexNet line.